York has issued a special marine warning for Taconic and Gardeners Base, Long Island southwest of New Haven, CTPORT, Jefferson, New York. Long Island southeast of New Haven, CTPORT, Jefferson, New York, until 9:45 p.m. At 7:49 p.m. A monitor reported an area of strong winds over 35 knots over eastern portions of the Long Island Sound. In addition, buoys of nearshore observations indicate increasing winds across this area ahead of an approaching warm front. Mariners can expect gusty winds up to 40 knots and increasing waves. Boaters, especially those under sail, should seek safe harbor immediately until the high winds subside. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following marine locations: Long Island southwest of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. Long Island southeast of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. And Taconic and Gardeners Base, New York. For the following counties in New York.